Are you looking to add curb appeal and make a statement with your home? Often overlooked and undervalued, today's garage doors now average a third of a home's front-facing facade. A new garage door can also increase the value of your home as much as 4%. So picking the right door for your home is an investment in your property's value that deserves careful consideration. When deciding on the material for your door, you'll want to consider a few things: curb appeal, budget, energy and insulation costs, your environment, and of course, the style of the door. Let's start with an overview of some materials you might choose for your door. Wood or wood composite is a great option if you desire elegance. Made from moisture-resistant treated cedar, redwood, or cypress, these garage doors offer customization possibilities unmatched by other materials. Aluminum remains a time-tested and popular choice for the base material of garage doors. It's an excellent choice if you intend to use your garage for storage and parking cars. The Clopay Avante collection are aluminum frame doors with a modern look. Steel is a great option if you're looking for something more rugged. Steel garage doors are low maintenance and adaptable to most renovation budgets. They're more durable than other metal doors. Material isn't the only appearance factor you want to consider. There are several styles of garage doors that you can choose from to match your home. Raised panels are the most common garage door design on the market. They match virtually any home, regardless of age, home type, or location. Contemporary styled garage doors offer clean lines and tempered glass panels enclosed in strong, solid colored painted frames. You can also incorporate glass panels into your garage door. Glass panels can give contemporary doors an appealing mid-century look, or add dimension and depth to your door. After deciding what you want your door to look like, you'll want to consider its mechanics. The motion of a garage door is essential to its design. Most garage doors roll up and are automatic. If you're looking for a new garage door for your home in San Diego County, consider calling us at Easy Open Door Company. We can help you understand your options and choose the right door for your home. Our family-owned business has been around for almost 40 years, helping area homeowners find a garage door that fits their needs, budget, and style.